Hello everyone and welcome back to the HSC Coach. Today we are going to learn about the top 10 work at height hazards and their control measures. Work at height is one of the most dangerous activities on construction sites, factories, warehouses and industrial workplaces. Every year many serious injuries and fatalities happen because of proper safety measures are not followed. In this video, we will understand the major hazards and the correct control measures that can save lives. So let's begin. The first and most serious hazard is fall from height. Workers may fall from roof edges, scaffolds, ladders, platforms, or floor openings. Even a small fall can cause serious injury or death. To control this hazard, use proper fall protection systems such as full body harnesses and shock absorbing ladders. Install guardrails, barriers, and edge protections wherever required or possible. Always use certified scaffolds and safe working platforms. And remember, never work at height without protections. Safety starts before the job begins. The second hazard is falling objects. Tools, materials, or debris can fall from height and strike workers below. This can cause head injury, fractures, or fatalities. Control measures include using tool liners to secure hand tools, keeping the work area clean and organized, installing toe boards, debris nets, or protective screens, and barricading the area below with warning signs to keep people away from danger zones. And always wear a safety helmet in work at height areas. The third hazard is unsafe ladders. Improper ladder use or damaged ladders can easily lead to falls. Many accidents happen because workers use the wrong ladder or fail to inspect it before use. To prevent ladder accidents, use the correct ladder for the job. Inspect ladders before every use. Maintain 3-point contact while climbing and secure the ladder properly with the correct angle ratio of 4:1. Never stand on the top step of a ladder. The fourth hazard is unsafe scaffolds. Poorly erected, overloaded, or damaged scaffolds can collapse suddenly. This creates danger for both workers on the scaffold and workers below. Control measures include erect scaffolds only on firm and level ground. Ensure proper assembly, bracing, and platform support. Do not overload scaffolds beyond the safe working load and inspect scaffolds before use by a competent person. Always use scaffold tags and follow inspections procedures. The fifth hazard is slips, trips, and falls. Wet surfaces, loose materials, trailing cables, and poor housekeeping create unsafe working conditions. To control this hazard, keep work area clean and dry. Remove unnecessary materials and manage cables properly. Wear slip resistant safety footwear and report hazards immediately before someone gets injured. Good housekeeping is an important part of workplace safety. The sixth hazard is adverse weather conditions. Strong winds, heavy rain, fog, or lightning increase the risk of accidents during work at height. Workers can lose balance or visibility, especially on exposed structures. Control measures include monitoring weather conditions continuously, stopping work during strong winds, rainstorms, or lightning, using wind protections where possible, and following the site weather safety policy. Never ignore weather warnings during height work. The seventh hazard is electrical hazards. Working near overhead power lines or exposed electrical equipment can be fatal. Electric shock can occur even without direct contact. To prevent electrical accidents, identify and assess electrical hazards before starting work. Maintain safe clearance from power lines. Use insulated tools and equipment where required. And follow permit to work and isolation procedures. Electricity and height work together create extremely high risks. The eighth hazard is inadequate fall protections. Using incorrect equipment or failing to use fall protections properly can lead to deadly falls. Control measures include using certified full body harnesses, ensuring the anchor point is strong and correctly positions above the worker whenever possible. Inspecting harnesses, liners, and connectors before use, and never modifying or misusing fall protections equipment. Your harness can save your life only if it is used correctly. The ninth hazard is lack of rescue planning. If a worker falls and remains suspended, delay rescue can increase injuries or even lead to death. Every worker at height activity must have an emergency rescue plan. Control measures include preparing and communicating a rescue plan before work starts, ensuring rescue equipment is available at the site, give the training to workers about the rescue procedures, and conducting regular emergency drills. Safety is not only about prevention, it is also about emergency preparedness. The 10th hazard is poor planning and supervision. Lack of proper planning, risk assessment, training, or supervision increase the chances of accident. Control measures include conducting proper risk assessment before work, ensuring workers are trained and competent, using permit to work system for high risk activities, and continuously supervising and monitoring the work. Good planning creates a safe workplace. So these were the top 10 work at height hazards and control measures every worker and safety professionals should know. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the HSC Coach for more safety training videos, interview questions, NIVOSH preparations, OSHA topic and workplace safety content. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay alert and see you in the next video.